behind the camera. You're going to have to edit that part out.
Right. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a new video. We got Cam here today because we got a little bit of an announcement. It's January 2020. We're finally back. If you saw the last video, it's just a little hype video. Me working out. We moved to a new place, so we got a new gym. We have new goals. We're ready to kill this year. A couple things that I want to go over. A couple life updates. So we started a business, Cam and I. It's called The Fit Cook Life. So if you guys want to go and head on over to all social media platforms, The Fit Cook Life. I'll put it down in the description below. Basically, the whole idea behind it is kind of finding a healthy balance between fitness and food. And Cam kind of came up with this idea, and then we are very similar in the way that we train and our ideals, so we kind of came together, and it's something that we want to offer people. So I'll let him talk a little bit about what the Fit Cook Life means to him, and then we'll let you know about what else we got going on. So
the Fit Cook Life, like he said, it's a healthy balance between fitness and food. Everyone, knows that you can go in the gym and really like bust your butt working out, but if you leave there and you go eat McDonald's, that everything that you did in the gym is all for naught, right? But then again, no one has the time to sit there and measure out every grain of rice that they're eating either.
right,
So
it's unrealistic.
There's both extremes, and people think that they have to be one extreme or the other.
Right.
I'm either going to give up on everything and just eat whatever I want, do whatever I want, or I have to be like Arnold Schwarzenegger. And it's not that way. And so for me, it was like every single client that I had, they each of them had a fear of some sort, whether it was a fear of the gym and not understanding things, or a fear of food and not knowing how to eat. And so trying to find that balance with each person is what made me want to start this business to begin with. So
yeah, and if you guys can tell, he's very passionate about the whole nutrition side of things. So he is the coach for nutrition. He goes over food with everyone. If you're a client of ours, then he makes it very simple. He's worked with me on my eating myself, and I've kind of changed things around because it's one of those things that even if I don't have something set up for me or like know what I'm doing, I tend to eat donuts. Check out National Donut Day video that we shot last year. That'll be coming up this year too. That was a lot of fun.
I'm so sick.
But yeah, if you guys, if you can't tell, he's very passionate about nutrition, so that is why I wanted to partner with him. I'm very passionate about the training side of things. And just like he was saying with the extremes of people thinking that they need to work out every single day for 5 hours a day, and then you got some people who just don't do anything at all. So there's people of all different spectrums here that we work with personally, and it's something that I love doing because I love helping people reach their goals. I love helping people become more confident about themselves and just freaking kill life. There's a lot more that goes into taking care of yourself physically that a lot of people don't realize the mental benefits of it too. So by working with people, I don't want just you to achieve your dream physique. I want you to achieve everything in life. I'm not just a coach, I want to be a friend. So as far as training goes, I got you covered. As far as nutrition goes, he has you covered.
And that's a great point, is that we're not just going to tell you what to do, but we're going to help you through the process of it by being a friend to you, a person that you can confide in about, oh man, life is stressful and I tend to eat, or life is stressful and I tend to get injured because I go so hard in the gym,
Right.
In those two extremes. But we both have gone through our own little transformation, our own journey. And so being able to have lived through it and then can show you the guidelines of how to get through it yourself. And that's a huge part of it.
Yeah. So we are now accepting new clients. So this is one of the big announcements. We are currently running a promotion on thefitcooklife.com. 1 week, $1. Just try us out. That's all we're asking. Just try us out. If you don't like it, you don't have to commit to anything. Our training is month to month because we realize that life happens and sometimes things come up and you can't afford to be locked in a freaking contract for 6 months.
Yeah.
After working in the gym myself, I've seen the struggles that people go through, and we're real people too. We have financial issues too, so we understand that life happens.
Yeah.
So yeah, if you guys are interested, it's a freaking $1. Just head over to the website.
It's $1.
It's $1.
It's $1.
Like, and the only reason that it's $1 is because we want you guys to put at least something in.
Yeah, just to try it out. You sign up for $1 and you can see how we train, how we initially call everything. The communication between you and your trainer is very important, and we understand that. And so you get to talk to us and kind of figure out where you're at. And then you can see how we program, how Ronnie programs your workouts, how I help you through the guidelines of nutrition and everything like that. And then you can join the community as well on Facebook.
Yeah.
So, and that one's free. So the Facebook group, the Fit Cook Life Facebook group, it's a closed group. Just hit request. We'll accept you. And it's
We
free.
just do it for tracking purposes.
Yeah.
That's the only reason that it's closed.
So go check that out. But
Right.
yeah.
Bunch of really good recipes on there. But yes, before this video gets too long, we will sign off here. Just want to give you a quick update. Head on over to the website, add us on Instagram. We're back. We're going to be making a bunch of videos, so stay tuned. Subscribe, like the video, comment below what you want to see in the future, all that good stuff. See you later.